morning, guys. Hope you're doing absolutely wonderful. Going for a small trip today. That's to Puri, 100 kilometers from Cuttack. So now we are lined up at Gopalpur, and that's my beast. Aditya is not coming. So finally reached our destination for today, somewhere near Konark and Puri Marine Drive. So I'm showing you the arrangements going on. This place is very nice, and it starts with this earthen pot. Okay, traditionally cooked food. These are the chicken pakoras being prepared for us. Wow, that's a welcome dish. Okay, see the scenic beauty of this place. It's very beautiful. Wow. And he's our Desi chef for today, and he's Binayak Bhai. So full on masti going on, all interacting with each other, new faces to see today. And he's our old mate, Om Bhai. I don't know, like I'm not getting, I mistakenly muted the microphone. She's Rachita taking my pic. Okay, and all great, all good. Then the bull is kept on the side of the food table. Both the bulls are always ready to eat. And is Mr. Rupak, the funky guy of our group, always entertaining. Really lucky to have him as a right partner. Very nice place this is, spending some time with my right mates. Basically this place is 120 kilometers from Cuttack. Very nice place. On that I was thinking like I made a very good decision getting the Himalayan. It serves my purpose. Like it's a off-roading tourer, and on that it's very much comfortable on the road and off the road as well. Food preparation on full swing, and our Desi Nana rocking the Desi kitchen. The chicken pakoda was really very tasty. I tasted the first batch and it was so crispy and juicy from inside. Wow. नाइस लोकेशन, ग्रीनरी एवरीवेयर, मौसम भी अच्छा है, लेकिन गर्मी तो है भाई। इंडिया में है हम लोग, और ताला भी लग चुका है बेसिकली। अब देखिए, और भी अंदर आ भी नहीं पाएगा। And now me and SQ will be walking into the jungle to check whether our beast can go inside or not. See, you can see a track over here. but this place is near the beach, so we are afraid of quicksand or some muddy places where our bikes might stuck. So we are walking down and we'll check how far we can go, and then we'll just rock on. So are you guys afraid of snakes? Yes, I'm afraid too. So let's hope I don't get a bite. Okay, so this has fallen due to the cyclone which happened recently. But again, we can go from the right side. We can go from this way. Our bikes can go through can escape from this way. करेंगे, we will do it. So far so good. So now moving on to the beach, the Bay of Bengal, the Puri Konark Marine Drive beach. We have done on my beast. All these trails, I can't talk actually. देखो हमने कैसे किया है बीच को. Just see this. So this is what we have done to our bike. into sand. Wow. Okay, so washed my bike. Oh, I was about to slip. See, this is what has happened. चेन स्प्रिंग टूट गया बाइक का, इसको लगाना पड़ा फिर. आई एम अनेबल टू टॉक ऑल्सो, ब्रीथ प्रॉपर्ली. दम निकल गया भाई. देखिए यहाँ पे इसका स्प्रिंग का लॉक टूट गया यहाँ पे. सो आई हैव टाइड दिस वन. Watch the bike. Yeah, now looking perfect. Watch the bike. घर जाके और धोना पड़ेगा. Unable to talk. I am panting actually. Had an awesome experience at the beach. My bike is waiting there, standing there to go home. So it's nearly 4 o'clock by now. And as per the government rules, we have to reach. We have to return back very soon. Where are you going to return? Okay.
Then this,
Okay.
then you have to do this, then another leg here.
Okay.
Then this, again. Then again this,
Then this. Then will be on the top, right?
yeah.
So this is how this is we can become a spider.
And for going like forward, you have to go like this.
Oh, wow. Okay.
Like this.
Okay.
And backward like this.
Okay.
And go down, just jump.
Just jump, right? So this is how we can become a spider, right?
Yeah.
Thumbs up. Thank you. Thank you. सत्यभाई छिटी भाई खाइबा केमती लगुची भाई लो खाइबा केमती लगुची लो
आस्था पटेल जीवन माटी
तापरे
खाना पीना हो गया सब खत्म. Now we are heading for home. We'll start in 5 minutes. Had awesome food. The food was really very good. Desi style chicken, fish. Had chicken pakoda, fried rice and salad. And बैगन का भरता. बस और क्या चाहिए.
ସେମିତି ନାହିଁ ଆପଣଙ୍କ ହାତରୁ କାଢିକି ମତେ ଦେବେ. କାକା ମାଗୁଛି ବଳା କାକା ମାଗୁଛି କାକା ମାଗୁଛି ବାପାରେ ଦିଲ୍ଲୀ.
Bye. So let's go for Khatak.
finally today's journey comes to an end. Had a very great time with all the bikers, with all my friends, with all my family. And thank you everyone for watching my videos, for watching my vlogs, supporting me each and every time. I realized lately that team effort is always the best effort that helps you win in every situation. And today also that thing happened with me. Because of my team, I came out of many situations. Thank you very much, guys. Thank you viewers for watching this video. I hope you like this, and please do share, subscribe, like and comment my channel Bibs Stringman, and keep supporting me like this. Show some love and hit the bell icon to get updates on new videos, and keep supporting, guys. I'll get more good videos soon. Thank you.